Okay, we just finished. Here we go. Ready? Wow!
I don't hear the turbo.
Sounds like a Honda.
Hey Jordan, where the beat go?
Cigarettes on me, but is she really what I need?
What? What do we have here?
We got a stupid downpipe. You know what we're gonna do with this one?
No, hold on. They're antlers, obviously.
Yeah, but this thing weighs.
Yeah, it's
Holy
freaking heavy. So we got here today, ladies and gentlemen, is a BMW 335i. What year?
2000 gay. 2010.
2010. Okay. And of course, if people don't know, it is twin turbo. And
Bro, look, you can
we're
see
gonna
the
be.
filter.
Can you see it?
Can you see it?
Oh yeah, you can. That's the cat. So we're taking out the cats and putting in 2 downpipes, and we just got the first one out, obviously, and we just got the O2 sensors disconnected and everything. Where's the flashlight? I'll show you guys. Oh, it's up there. There was a lot to take off, but this really wasn't that bad. So that's where they connect to, right there. And the O2 sensor is dangling in there somewhere. And then they go all the way back to here. We received the downpipes with no bolt that attaches it right there. So we're about to go to Home Depot with the downpipe and try to find four of something close to that. Hold it up, be proud.
I'm proud, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a thumbnail right there.
So this sort of light of mine, tattoos all down my spine. Everybody know that I'm on my grind, always in a place where the sun don't shine. The media wanna make me a bad guy. I don't know if I'm happy, you're right. I stay inside and I pray up to Christ, hoping one day I don't end my life. Way too depressed to express how I feel. Only smoke weed.
Downpipe is off. Oh, that's blurry.
I'm gonna go pee real quick, okay?
Alright, buddy. So in there, I don't know if you guys can see it. That is the turbine right there.
You sleeping over?
Probably. And then the other turbine is right there. So in this car, it's an inline 6. So if you picture it, let me get out of here. In this one here, you have the intake side and the exhaust side. This is called an inline 6. So basically, all 6 cylinders are standing upright. Like in an inline 4, similar, but there's 2 more cylinders. And for each 3 cylinders, there's a turbo.
I'm on pills, since a nightmare, I don't know what's real. She came back around since I got that deal. I don't want friends, I want happiness. She did me dirty as fuck that bitch. I was so broke, but now I'm rich. Still the same gang, still the same clique. Xanarchy shit, till that hoe make a wish. Feel her touch when we kiss, my hands on her hips. Fell in love with her lips, make her swallow my kiss. The world is so evil, why we lost in the mix? Trying to make it make sense, I wanna know. Does it matter to you that I don't have no fucks to give, bitch?
Alright guys, so we got everything in, just like the downpipe, oxygen sensor and stuff. What? Alright, wait.
Ready?
I'm ready, brother. Turn it off. Off.
What?
It's leaking.
I don't know where it's leaking though. You have to feel for the air.
Yeah, but it's late. It's almost 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
We put exhaust sealant right there, all around it.
It looks good.
Thanks.
Don't worry, it's talking about key.
Okay. Now it's hot.
I hear a little bit.
Oh, it's very loud. You shouldn't hear anything like that from the front. It should only be from the back. Oh man, let's see what we can do. So we're gonna go to BMW all the way in Tampa to get 2 gaskets for the turbo to the downpipe, and those are the ones we didn't replace. We just kind of like left them there and they kind of fell apart everywhere. But since we're there, we might get the other 2 gaskets just to be safe, because it sounded really leaky. I don't know how to describe that. That was bad though. So, to Germany we go. We're over here at Reeves BMW, and we had to take a look at the i8. This thing is...
Is that actually someone's car?
I don't know. It's the i3.
Whoa,
Those tires don't even look like they're performance. These look like all seasons. Hankook. These are not. These are Ventus V. I just ordered these for my Honda.
It's probably sick.
It's pretty interesting.
I love how we're just admiring it. Bro, 530E?
What does that mean?
Electric?
It's got tailpipes, not fully electric. Huh.
Finna flex, I just parked that new I8 right next to the R. If they tell you money make you better than others. Hey, did my comic books come in?
I'm getting
Oh my god!
I'm gonna get
dude.
one.
That was, dude, I got the chills.
I wanna slam my shit.
Oh my god, dude. Did you heard that, right?
Bro.
That, all those pops?
And then look at that one. Look at the 335i. Like, what the? No.
Dude, that was so freaking nice. Oh
That's
my
just a V8,
god.
bro. That's a small V8.
Okay, because the camera's about to die. I'll charge the batteries over there. Joey, what are you doing?
What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
Taking this dumb clamp off.
Yep, so we're taking the downpipe out again, just to make sure the gaskets are all sealed and everything. We got the music, and I finally got my tires. They came in. I got the wheels on them just now. Shout out to Walmart. These tires are gorgeous and super freaking wide. I mean, it's not really the tire. They're 205 50/16s. I'm about to swap these out and then maybe adjust my coils a little bit, and then I'm gonna help him out. I'm gonna charge the batteries though. Now we're gonna tune it. What kind of tuning do you have?
I have a JB4. Basically allows me to tune my car without going to a dyno. Do it all from here. I'm on map 1. Okay. Oh, you want to see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's at 0. That's my map stage. I'm on stage 2 because I put the downpipes in, pushing around 15 to 18 psi. That is, what is this one? Oh, my codes. Okay.
All from the buttons on the steering wheel too.
Yeah, the volume buttons. You can do this while driving too. Did you know that? Where's my phone?
That's really freaking loud. Oh. Oh yeah, it sounds like a freaking diesel truck. That's what we like to hear, bro.
Yeah, that's not new exhaust leak, man.
All right. She quieted down a little bit, bro. This is gonna be the nastiest sound we've ever heard.
Wallet.
Look at Sakura.
That's a nice car. What the hell are you?
There's a bug. Bro, this is about to be the nastiest sounding BMW. Oh my god!
And I'm not even pressing anything, bro. I swear to God.
Like the turbo spool at like 1,000 RPM. And that is just gorgeous twin turbo BMW engineering.
I'm gonna rev it right here.
Oh yeah, dude. I want to hear it.
Yeah. Bro, that's like a race car, man. Did I overboost? No, I didn't. Cody, you gotta drive this. I'm letting you drive this.
Give her a good launch.
First or second? You want a quick or you want a slow and steady?
First.
First?
Yep. Alright, this is about to be freaking amazing. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh my god! Action.
Action. So don't think I can see you.
Yeah,
I'm gonna turn mine on. There we go.
so I'm driving.
Yeah, Cody's driving now, and
We did that launch, and oh my jeez.
see that? Speedometer.
We're only going 45, you know?
Yeah.
A little bit of exhaust rattle.
That's probably because I didn't put that thingy.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
It's not a big deal. We just get a screw tomorrow. I'll get a screw tomorrow, and I'll put that thing in.
Alright, you want a rolling?
Cody, whatever you want to do, man.
I want
Like,
a rolling.
this is your thing. You want to buy an Edge of Glory.
We're gonna do a rolling second gear from 30. We're gonna try this.
I'm literally holding your camera as hard as I can. I'm not trying to let go of this camera. God dang it! Oh, sugar honey iced tea! I almost said,
Oh my god!
bro!
Dude, second gear from 30 miles an hour, that's where you roll, right?
I love you, Alan, if you're watching this. I roast you because I love you, buddy.